Easy to use and not lagging at all. Internet smoothie. Can choose whatever days you need. Very flexible. Easy, fast, comfortable. I bought this because my other eSIMs wouldn't and number 39, T-Connect. It connected smoothly and there were no issues. The speed was also fine. It was so well written and had no shortcomings for a cheap price. Easy to install and use. Remember to on the roaming as well. Just for gentle reminder. I often go to Bali for work, so I use it every time. Once the initial connection was made, it was fast and easy to use. Easy to install, opened as soon as it arrived, fast and stable, recommended. This SIM card is convenient because it doesn't and number 39, T require a SIM card swap, and you can use it to make Korean calls, but the speed is slow. Another person I went with swapped out their SIM card, and the data speed with this SIM card is much faster. While everyday internet use is fine, the difference is noticeable when sending and receiving photos via KakaoTalk. Compared to my friends who went with me, the speed with the SIM card is similar to that in Korea, but the speed with this SIM card is a bit slower. By scanning the QR code in advance, I was able to use data communication immediately after arriving. I had previously reserved and used an eSIM from KD, and it was cheap and worked without any problems, so I tried it again this time. This eSIM has a one-click installation, so as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi at the airport, you can install the eSIM via the KD app without having to scan a QR code, which was very convenient. It took about 3 minutes from start to finish of the installation, so it would be worthwhile to use the time you spend waiting for your luggage to be picked up at the airport to set it up. It and number 39, quicker to ask the airport staff for the airport Wi-Fi and password. Easy to use. Connected well. Was working with good speed, did not have issue in setting up eSIM. Easily connect and have good signal.